Grille LC300. Okay. Light. Okay, this is with light. This line is LED equipped. So this side separate connection, and from this side it's a different connection. All right. Land Cruiser 300 series radiator grill. Look at this. This line over here is LED equipped. Okay. Okay. Can you connect, disconnect? Can you disconnect, disconnect, connect, disconnect? Okay. So it's a different connection, left and right side. So two different wires. You can make it blink. You can make it switch on, switch off. And this is matching with your LED for the headlight. So it will be nice together. Thank you for watching, guys. LC300. Guys, we also have headlights to upgrade from like base option or regular GX to VXR look. So this is LED type, lens type with LED. So if you want, you can take grill and the headlights to match together, so they can match the LEDs. Carmarket.com.